Hello and welcome to another edition of In the Kitchen with Dave. I'm Dave Wallace. I'm the owner of Bittersweet Herb Farm, and we are a small family-owned business, specialty foods business. We've been around for about 40 years now, and we're located in the northwest corner of Massachusetts in the Berkshires, northern Berkshires. Our products are all natural. There's no artificial flavors, no preservatives, no fillers. We are gluten-free and we are vegan-friendly, and we've won lots of awards for our products over the years. One thing I'd like to start with is if you are interested in, we have weekly specials, we have monthly giveaways. If you're interested in getting some information on those, just join our email list. We send out one, maybe two emails a week. We're not going to bombard you with emails, but to let you know what our specials are going to be when the new giveaway is going to happen, which happens to be today. So today is our new giveaway. What we are featuring is over here. Maybe, can you zoom in on that? So this is our barbecue collection. We've got the lemon garlic finishing sauce, the black pepper finishing sauce, the smoked maple chipotle finishing sauce, the Cajun seasoning, and the New England barbecue seasoning, plus a couple of recipes. So this will be the giveaway for the month of April. So just go on our social media, find a picture of the barbecue collection, and sign up, and you could be the lucky winner. Now, this is also the collection that we're going to be cooking with in the month of May. So if you want to order this in advance, or if you are the lucky winner, you will be able to cook right along with us in the month of May. All right, so let's go. Did I cover everything?
Yes.
All right, usually I forget something. But let's see. What I'm making today is a chickpea cucumber salad. It's all fresh and uncooked. So what I start with here is a 15-ounce can of chickpeas. Dump that in there, and then I would say about 2 cups of chopped cucumbers. I buy the little mini cucumbers like this one right here. So I just used 2 of those, and that's about 2 cups. And then I got some nice cherry tomatoes, and this is about 1.5 cups. You could use a little more if you had them. This is all I had. So I sliced them in half. If they were particularly big, I quartered them. So I'm going to add that. And then I have a small red onion that I chopped, which actually is about the size of this onion right here. I'm going to add that in there. And then a small avocado. And I don't think I got it. Okay, that'll be fine. Now I'm going to also give it a squeeze of lemon juice. And I'm going to add a little bit of pepper. And a little bit of salt. Now, I want to tell you about this fabulous salt shaker that I got, or grinder. My dear friend Dodie gave it to me yesterday because she said the salt shaker I was using looked like I stole it out of a diner, which might possibly be true. But this, I tried this out this morning. This is an excellent grinder. So thank you so much, Dodie, for this wonderful gift. So I'm going to throw a little salt in there. And now that's ready to go. And next, I am going to make the dressing that I'm going to put on there. So what I'm using today is, let's see if I get the label out there correctly. This is our lemon pepper oil. All right, and then I'm also going to be adding a couple of tablespoons of our maple balsamic vinegar. Now these are both in the collection that we're using this month for cooking. So I have 1/4 cup of the lemon pepper oil, and I have 2 tablespoons of the maple balsamic vinegar, and then I think I did 2 tablespoons. This is a vegan mayo from the Heart. Vegan mayo from the Heart makes a lot of good non-dairy products, a lot of cheeses, the mayo, and this from the Heart mayo is the closest to Hellmann's mayonnaise that I've ever found. So I'm just going to mix that up. You know what? I'm going to throw a little pepper in there too. And maybe just another dash of salt because I have this fabulous new salt shaker. A grinder. I keep calling it a shaker. So I'll get this mixed up pretty thoroughly. And actually this is, well, maybe it's about, it looks like it's going to be maybe a little more than what I need. But we'll see. All right, I think that's pretty good. And I'm just going to pour that over here. Mix that around a little bit. And I have to admit, I made a batch of this earlier this morning, and it was really good. Now, Adam says he doesn't like chickpeas.
Or a balsamic.
Or a balsamic. So he's not going to try it.
But I love everything else.
Okay. Those are the only two things in the world you don't like?
Oh, no, there's more, but...
Okay. It's for today.
For today.
Okay. And I don't think I got a serving spoon. So I'm just going to take a little bit out of it because I know what this, well, we'll see if I did as good a job this time as I did this morning. Because we're definitely going to be eating this for the next couple of days. It's really good. It's got a nice fresh flavor without all the lemon pepper oil and the lemon juice in there. Wow. All right. So I think I covered everything, right? So remember, eat well and be well with Bittersweet Herb Farm. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.